Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite problem, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first app and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. You can go to your Wi-Fi and you can turn off your Wi-Fi. Then you can turn on it like this. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Facebook Lite on Play Store. You can click uninstall. And you can install again your app. So please don't forget to support us via like and subscribe. See you next time.